Hi everyone! Imagine a robot with a strong personality, where no nonsense is just an attitude, it's a lifestyle. They are the human versions of a refreshing slap in the face. They will wake you up even if it hurts. Welcome back to our channel. In this episode of Connect Within TV, we will explore ISTJs, the robotic rebels with a heart of steel and a personality that's off the charts. ISTJ stands for Introverted, Sensing, Thinking, Judging. ISTJs are like super protective guards that keep their areas safe. They are very precise and won't let anyone in who shouldn't be there. They are a bit like the robots from the Terminator movie, but instead of saying they will come back, they are more like you are not allowed in. These practical and detail-focused people are the quiet heroes of the MBTI world. They are like a simple version of Batman without the fancy tools, but with a strong sense of responsibility and a love for making lists. They are indeed known for their practicality, attention to detail, and a strong sense of duty. They are very responsible and organized individuals. They thrive on structure, routine, and precision, which makes them ultimate planners. They are the ones who color code their calendars and set reminders to ensure they never miss a deadline. They are the masters of time management, and no matter what, they manage to show up 10 minutes early to everything. They take ownership of their duties and demonstrate self-control and perseverance in their daily routines, which show their commitment and sense of responsibility towards their work. ISTJs might not be the first ones you think of when it comes to pranks, and they may appear tough and serious, but they have a hidden talent for playful jokes and teasing. Just do not expect them to do anything too spontaneous. They value stability and predictability to avoid surprises or random situations. Unpredictability can be unsettling for them, pushing them outside their comfort zone. They feel as though they are losing control or cannot prepare for what's coming next. So it is common for them to avoid flashy or attention-seeking behavior. They usually choose a more modest and low-key approach that allows them to plan and prepare for the event in advance. ISTJs are known for their loyalty and commitment to the people they care about. They love you, but they will never write it in glittery letters. It is more like a permanent tattoo on their heart, which they will never show you. If they are willing to lend a helping hand, cook a meal, or offer their time and expertise, it is a clear indication of their love and loyalty. They struggle to express their feelings due to their introverted nature and analytical approach. For them, emotional expression is unnecessary. They demonstrate their care and dedication through practical support and meaningful gestures rather than just offering verbal reassurance. They have got your back, but do not expect them to make a big show about it. ISTJs are often known for their tough love approach. If you love an ISTJ, get ready for a dose of tough reality. No fluff, no filler. Get it done is their love language. They value honesty and straightforwardness and will often tell you what you need to hear rather than what you want to hear. This can sometimes be perceived as harsh or critical, but it's ultimately coming from a place of concern and a desire to help you improve. ISTJs tend to prefer simple and practical approach to life. They choose simple solutions for complex problems. This pragmatic mindset helps them navigate everyday challenges with ease and make decisions that are grounded in reality. In workplace, they are the ultimate get-it-done pros. They excel in careers that require precision, organization, and no non-serious attitude. They slay in roles like project managers, financial analysts, and law enforcement, anywhere that needs a healthy dose of clarity and zero drama. And let's be real, they are the real detail devotees who actually read the terms and conditions and make sure you do too. ISTJs can be quite stubborn and resistant to change, especially if it disrupts their routine. They have a tendency to overthink things, which can cause unnecessary stress and anxiety, especially if they get trapped in a cycle of what ifs and maybes, which can prevent them from taking action, making it difficult for them to adapt to new situations, and they ultimately lose sight of the bigger picture. They prefer simple and straightforward communication without beating around the bush. As independent individuals, they enjoy their freedom and require regular alone time to recharge and reflect. However, they need to learn to be more flexible, open-minded, and emotionally expressive. They should practice stepping out of their comfort zone, listening to others' opinions, and sharing their own feelings. By doing so, they will become more adaptable, empathetic, and well rounded individuals. So, there you have it, ISTJs in all their seriousness and stillness. Did that resonate with you? Do you know someone who exemplifies the ISTJ personality type? What is your favorite quirk about them? Or if you are an ISTJ, how do you think your personality type influences your daily life and decisions? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.